Hi Mel, this is Miss Todoric. I love your channel. Your channel is awesome. I love the banner. Profile pic is great. Thank you so much for the 99 cents shout out for being a member. I will post you on the homepage of my website, which is misstodoric.com. So if you are watching this for the first time, you can take a look at www.misstodoric.com, and I have a huge section for shoutouts where you will see Mel along with others. So let's see what she has here.
But I already read my Bible this morning.
Love it. That's so good. I read the Bible myself.
I woke the kids up for school and now I just pray that they stay awake. But yeah, it's really freezing. But
And you look so young, like you don't even have kids, but that is so cute. I
it's
love
okay.
it.
Anyway, so yeah, I'll update you guys when we're at the gym because don't be on your phone and drive.
Okay.
But
Let's skip through. So let's
it's
see her
just
kids. I know they're somewhere here in this video.
it has like a little weird.
How cute. She is adorable.
Milo Grace.
And look at that beautiful long hair.
You shouldn't have run away. Why'd you run away? No, come here. Why is this kid running? She thinks she's so funny too, running away from me.
She is funny.
Then we got cinnamon dulce. Okay. Then we got chocolate chip cookie dough.
Yummy. Okay.
Oh. It's gonna work out. Yeah. Anyways, but the brownies are looking cute. OMG, special guest. Theo Michael. Alright guys, brownies are going into
Okay.
the oven.
Hola, Tio. Let's see. All right, let's check out another thrift with me.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the video. I do look like a mess,
No,
but
you
this is gonna
don't.
change.
Too cute. Oh, wow. Look at this thrift store. This is huge.
Okay guys, so we're gonna be looking at the purses.
I've never seen such a big thrift store.
This is something like my Theo would have made me, not gonna lie. What about this one?
My Tia also says
Like a sucker for plaid pajama pants.
she can make me stuff. Oh, look
Oh,
how
it's so
cute.
cute. Who are you gonna call?
Comment
Are you gonna call your
Todoric.
boyfriend?
Ah, she's
Yeah?
too young for
How
that.
many boyfriends do you have?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're gonna call Tia Louie? Oh, you're so cute. Wait, Milo wants to show you guys her phone. Okay. Come back a little bit. Wow, so cute.
Oh, she looks just like
Who are you gonna
you.
call?
So cute.
Joey.
Hola,
Alright, y'all,
Tia.
that was not a dub. Milo, show 'em what you got. Just the Cocomelon phone, and it was only $1.99, so big chillin'. Was that good or bad?
Good.
It was good because you got a phone. Oh,
Call me. Oh, that's so cute.
guys, I'm so sorry that I suck at recording. Oh, she wants to listen to Elsa. Okay.
No, you don't. You're fine. You're doing great.
I finally can eat some hot Cheetos tomorrow, so we're definitely gonna bag those. Mila, she's already munching. Mila, if you can see, this girl's already eating.
She is cute, hungry, and cute.
I washed the clothes I got. This is a really short video. I promise these will get better.
No, they're good. Let's go. Let's see one more.
What is up, guys? Welcome to the first YouTube video. So today I'm going to be doing like a little closet clean out / organize my closet with me. And I do have a lot of clothes, but that is only because I thrift most of them. And yeah, the reason Alright guys, now I'm just showing you a little overview of what the first closet looks like, and it is a little bit messy, but
Oh wow, you have a lot of stuff. Let's see.
just the fact that
Before, let's go skip. Let's see after.
this is so cute. I love her. It's just like a it's just a red zip up. See, if fun fact, you know what I mean? Like shoes I don't mind getting dirty. Some shoe boxes. These are all mostly hoodies and stuff. And my little sister in the background.
Very,
And
very
my
cute.
Charger and Dodger jerseys. And then all my dressy shoes.
Oh my gosh, you have so many shoes.
Do you want to say hi, Mila?
Hi,
Say
Myla.
hi.
Hi.
Hello, Myla.
Okay, guys, this is what the closet in my room looks like. It may not look good. This is all like sweaters.
Love the sound effects. Thank you. I'm a fan. I will be checking out your next video. Myla, can't wait to see you in your next video. This is a big shout out from Miss Todoric. Keep posting. Love it. I love what you got here. Maybe a cute picture of Myla in the banner. I want her up here somewhere. But definitely, you guys are awesome. Thanks for being a member. Thanks for finding me. Thanks for everything. And I wish you the best of luck with you and your YouTube channel. I want to see more. And I'm sure my students want to see more as well. All right. Thanks again. Till next time. Bye bye. Bye, Myla.